Let's look at this question. In a garden, 59% of the trees are coconut trees and the rest are mango trees. The number of coconut trees exceeds that of mango trees by 180. If 54% trees include 245 mango trees in the garden are older than 10 years, then the percentage of coconut trees which are 10 years or less older is. Can you see total out of the total coconut trees comprises 59% of the trees and rest are mango trees. So 41% would be the mango trees. Now the number of coconut trees exceeds that of mango trees by 180. Oh, so the difference, this difference in terms of percentage, this difference in percentage terms is 18% of the total trees. 18% of the total is given as 180. So from here, I can find 100% of the total, and that 100% of the total is 1000. So I can fairly assume that the total number of trees in this garden are 1000. So coconut trees are 590 and mango trees are 410. Now, out of, okay, so 54% trees out of this total, 54% trees, including 245 mango trees in the garden are older than 10 years, right? So out of these 1000, there would be two kind of trees. That is age greater than 10 and age less than or equal to 10, right? And out of these trees, there are coconut and mango trees, and out of these, there are coconut and mango trees. Can you see 54% trees? That would be 540. 540 trees would be of age greater than 10, older than 10 years. So it would be 540. And these include 245 mango trees. So 245 mango trees are there, which are greater than 10 years of age, right? So out of these 540, 295 would be coconut trees. 295 would be coconut trees, and there are 590 coconut trees. So the coconut trees that are 10 years or less older would be 295. And this question is asking which are we need to find the percentage of coconut trees which are 10 years or less older. So these are 295 out of 590 total coconut trees, and this is equal to 1/2. In terms of percentage, it is 50% of the total coconut trees. So correct answer to this question would be 50%.